Hello friends, I am Sandhya Rathi. Welcome to my channel Logic Cimplified. I am here to help you to develop programming logics. I will try to solve your all queries. Will bring videos for all academic computer courses. I feel it's easy to code, but it's tough to code it in minimum steps. I have seen so many students, they learn the code, but don't understand the logic behind it. Here, I will try to make you think logically, which will be easy to code, and yes, no need to mug up. So stay tuned and stay connected. Please subscribe to my channel and keep yourself updated. Don't forget to like, comment and share. And yes, don't miss to press the bell icon. Thank you.